The Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner utilizes advanced ultrasonic technology with high-frequency 45 kilohertz sound waves, ensuring thorough cleaning of dental appliances without causing damage. Equipped with 4 upgraded ultraviolet lights, this cleaner not only removes dirt, but also effectively eliminates odors, leaving items looking and smelling fresh. The machine offers 4 professional cleaning modes, allowing users to select the perfect setting for their specific dental tools, ensuring optimal cleaning results. Its unique design includes multifunctional reserve holes, ideal for cleaning longer items like toothbrush heads, and non-slip rubber at the base to reduce noise and enhance safety. With a 200 milliliter capacity, this portable cleaner is perfect for travel and comes with additional accessories like a shelf and tweezers for cleaning jewelry or waterproof watches. The one-button control makes it simple to operate, making it an excellent gift option for family and friends who use dental appliances.